Hello everyone. I would like you to introduce myself. I am CJ Timiano. I hope you like my simple video presentation about A Legacy of Heroes, the story of Bataan Corregidor. A Legacy of Heroes, the story of Bataan Corregidor. During World War II, the USAFFA aimed to delay Japanese action at Manila Bay and serve as a buffer between the Japanese and American colonial Philippines. They held the Japanese until December 1941 but faced challenges due to half rations and lack of supplies. General Douglas MacArthur promised additional troops and supplies, but they never materialized, leaving Filipinos' determination. Bataan Ditmarch. 3 months after the start of the Battle Bataan, the Bataan Ditmarch began forcing 60,000 to 80,000 Filipino and American prisoners of war to march through the Philippines. The Bataan Ditmarch is remembered as an absolute tragedy. The prisoners of war were forced to march through tropical conditions, enduring heat, humidity, and rain without adequate medical care. The prisoners unable to make it through the march were beaten, killed, and sometimes beheaded. The Batandit March has a devastating legacy with Filipino suffering disproportionately compared to U.S. troops. Troops surrendered in April 1842. The USSFA was able to delay the Japanese into Manila for 99 days. Independence Day. Once Japan occupied the Philippines, they technically granted them independence from the United States in 1943. Unfortunately, this promise was not fulfilled, with the Japanese continuing to engage in brutal actions trying to round up and arrest Filipino origins. The contributions of the Philippine Scouts and Filipino civilians, along with their bravery and courage, were instrumental in the Japanese surrender on September 2, 1945. In World War II, its aftermath, July 4, also became Independence Day for the Philippines in 1946. Lieutenant Alexander Nainager received the first Medal of Honor of World War II, while Sergeant Jose Calugas Medal of Honor received. Native son of hero the Philippines, Jose Calugas went beyond the call of duty during the Battle of Bataan. Liberation of the Philippines, 1945. The final liberation of the Philippines at the end of the World War II released Filipinos from years for torment, but recognition of their courage and sacrifice was slow in coming. It also ended the Battle of Corregidor start in May 5 to 6, 1942. The final defense of point in Manila Bay. Underground Malinta Tunnel served as command center. Failed to Japanese forces at May 6, 1942 after fierce conclusion. Their sacrifice and heroism became a powerful symbol of hope and resilience. True, they were defeated in battle, they the flame of resistance that continued to burn throughout the Japanese occupation. Today, the memory of Bataan and Corregidor reminds us that true freedom is earned through courage, unity, and deep love for one's motherland.